Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tidi, right up back on your screens once again. My hair's looking a little bit crazy, but that's okay because we are going to be moisturizing it and putting it up in twist. We're going to only be using one store-bought product that I don't necessarily know what's in it, and everything else is purely organic. And that's what I mean when I say that when you're on your Ayurvedic journey, I would suggest that you limit the things that you cannot pronounce on your ingredient list and actually get things that you know what they're about and you know how to pronounce, and most likely that would be natural ingredients. So here's what we're gonna do. We are going to be using the Inguni Botanicals, the shea butter. I still have some of it. This will be it's going to be finished after this, and then that would be that. Then I'm going to be using sweet almond oil. You guys know, organic. I have that much left. And then I just made a fresh batch for my little sister and I put one spray in the refrigerator of hibiscus, and I put like 2 drops of peppermint oil in here. And then we might use unicorn tears. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to wear out these twists or not, but it's not a problem. And then I'm going to be using the Anjakis, and this is what I mean when I say this is the only store-bought product that I literally do not know what's in here. You know, they got some big words here, so this is the only thing. Everything else, let me show you. So 4 out of 5 of my ingredients are natural, so I think that's actually a good way to incorporate natural ingredients and one DIY situation. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Hey y'all, so we're just gonna keep it simple. I first want to show you guys how my hair looked like after I did my alma powder treatment, and my hair feels very full. It feels rich. It feels like creamy also in a weird way. For some people, to tell you the truth, based on how my hair was feeling, I don't think some people would even feel the need to moisturize, but I did it anyway, because I was just like, you know, the Dark and Lovely deep conditioner let me down, so let me just give my hair what it needs. And for me, it's just, I don't think it would be wise for me to stop moisturizing my hair after wash day. My hair would be a bit shocked. However, I loved how my hair felt after I used the almakai on my hair. Then you guys know I keep it simple. I use hibiscus. I've been using that for the longest. I love it. My hair, it's a great moisturizer. Like, try it if you want to try one herb. I definitely suggest hibiscus. It's amazing for moisture. So I'm very also excited to use it next year after I have done the Almakai series kind of vibes. And yeah, so this is how I prefer to do my twists now. I prefer to start with a 3-strand braid, and then I do a normal twist. I don't know, I just like it that way. However, this week I want to change up my moisturizing routine a little bit. I want to go back to using castor oil as a sealing oil like I used to way back when I started my natural hair journey, and then make a alma spritz with hibiscus. And yes, I just want to see how that's gonna go, and maybe stop using leave-in conditioner. I want to see if my hair is gonna start behaving differently if I stop using a leave-in conditioner. But anyway, this is how my hair looks. I did a normal twist. You guys have seen my hair multiple times in twists. Absolutely love it. It's my go-to, and I'm gonna be wearing this. I've actually been wearing these twists for about 3 weeks now. I'm due for a wash day, so I'm certain that next time you guys see me, I'll probably be washing my hair. So yeah, so this is how my hair looks like. Love the results. Okay, I'm done. And I did that in less than an hour, so I'm very proud of myself. I did like a normal twist, and I just put like styling gel, well, not styling gel, edge control, just like it look decent. That's my puff. It has grown, darlings. Do you see that? That's a grown woman puff. In a weird way, it's like my hair has grown even though I can't see it. So that's it, you guys. I have to start my day now. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Your girl is looking so cute. Yes, so just to take these down to show you, it really helps to do the 3-strand twist first and then do a twist, because it will give you some length, darlings. I don't know what's going on with this one though, but anyway, it's just popping out. This is exactly why I tie down my hair, because I don't know what happened here, but it's there. Anyway, we're just gonna pretend like it's not there and look at how pretty everybody else is looking. So that's how everyone else is looking, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. So bye for now.